Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Midnight Club Los Angeles, and we're going to race in the highway.
Mira, negra, que tiempo he tenido de platicar con el pinche chino. Con el pinche chino.
Sorry guys, it's my grandma.
My grandma loud. Like me. Just kidding.
I don't think it's in the highway. No, it's not in the highway, never mind. Guys, if you subscribe, if any of y'all have a channel, a YouTube channel, if y'all subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe back to your channel. So subscribe to my channel and drop a like on this video, and I will subscribe to your channel if you have one. If you don't, still subscribe to this video. I might make a video of Black Ops, me playing Black Ops 2 Zombies today, because my cameraman's not here. How long is this race? Oh, not that long. I earned 5,200. For some reason, I never play online. Oh, I'm getting chased by the cops now. It's really hard getting away from the police now. Now since I'm in group 4, in A class. Now the polices, they have, like, when you get new upgrades in your cars and everything, then the police, they get new upgrades, and the cars get faster and stronger. Sometimes they might have a Charger. That's a type of car that it goes really fast. In real life, they actually use those type of cars to catch other cars and people. So, I'm just gonna try to get away from the cops right now.
Es que ya no es ese teléfono.
Oh no.
Me levanté ando en chinga.
As you can see, I already lost the cops now. Oh man. Well guys, I'm just gonna end the video right here. And like and subscribe this video. And I'll see you later.